Welcome to part 2 of our new project car. Hey guys, so after we mount the suspension, in the front, like you saw, everything was prepared, so we just need to put in the springs with the shocks together. In the back we have leaf springs like in most pickup, which is just change them and put new ones in. You can see also with the tires and the new suspension, the pickup is quite high. So what you need to do when you change the height geometry or the general suspension geometry of the car is to use the wheel alignment system and align your wheel. That's how you make sure they're in the same specific settings the car will handle the best with them. So what we actually do after every suspension mount is the wheel alignment, and afterwards we recommend, after driving a bit with the car, the leaf spring will give a bit and will get a bit lower after you drive with them a bit or put weights on, and then do another alignment. So you make sure that you will not eat your tires on the wrong side and the car will handle properly. So next time we'll see you, we'll put the ModCap with a canopy camper top. So see you on the next one. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed all the build that we did. Now we're gonna go through it and I will explain about the accessories and about the ModCAP concept that we actually have here. So if you want a different concept, there you can actually see the ModCAP worker that we built on the Tacoma. This is a 2-sleeper, so it's a bit different. And inside we also have like different accessories to it. So the general concept of the ModCAP different from the canopy camper, that actually it's modular. So the roof is separate, then the base and the fitting kit. So we actually have like three different parts in the ModCAP that you actually get or that they get built if you order one. So we have the fitting kit that's actually is vehicle specific. Then we have the base, which comes with the back door, and the ModCAP itself. Here, the 2-sleeper. As you can see here in between, we have a seal, and from the seal down, it's the base. From the seal up, it's the 2-sleeper. So that's the main thing. Cool about the ModCAP is that you actually can take away the 2-sleeper and then put the 4-sleeper a family on, or put the worker roof on. Okay, what's different from the canopy camper? It's like you can see, we have the contour-like aluminum forming, so it's a roller form aluminum and not the checker plate that you actually can see on the canopy camper. Here we see it on the door, we see it on the top. Here also what we actually have, that's a new feature that Alu-Cab releases. It's a ventilation valve, so it will help to ventilate the inside while closed, without letting water in, of course. Yeah, so let's open it up. I mean, the opening, it's very similar to anything else. And regarding the accessories that you can actually see here, we'll go through all the accessories in just a moment. Let us open it. You have the new latches that actually comes already on the roof conversions, but this one now comes also on the ModCap. Open it, it's quite easy. Actually, is the same. We have the foldable rain cover, which is really nice, and the usual Alu-Cab canvas on it. Let's go to the accessories that we have. Of course, the first thing is the awning, which of course need to be mounted with the brackets on it. So the ModCap base actually doesn't come directly with an awning. It comes separately. And what we actually do before we mount it, we prepare it, and we then mount the brackets and the awning to the finished ModCap. Okay, let's go through. You saw it tons of times, so I will do it fast. I will not talk too much. I'll try not to talk too much through it. This is the very easy setup that we have here. Not too complicated. Okay, that's it. So Arada, it's 1.5 minutes, opening the roof, opening the awning, even less, probably less than a minute, and then you have everything. So awning, the main accessory that we actually put on each camper. Now what you can actually see, what you can see here in the back, it's a prototype of Maxtrax table. Just gonna open it up. See, click here, click there, then falls down. And then we have another click here, up there, up top, and it actually also drops down. I know it's not for the shortest people, sorry for that, but I would say it's still a prototype in work, and I'm sure Alu-Cab can make it a bit suitable also for different person. As I can see, we can even manage this thing and drop it a bit further down. It's a ModCap base with windows. You can actually get it also without windows if you don't want this kind of feature, the same as in the contour canopy. And we can open here. Directly what we see, we have here also molar plate or security guard, depending on how you want to call it, depending on how you want to use it. You can hang stuff on it, or you can use it as a security so nobody will break your window. But you still can open, of course, the window from the inside, so if you have dogs and need some ventilation inside the canopy while it's closed, that's actually a good opportunity. In front, what we have, it's the table mount. So that's actually one of my favorite feature, actually, that you have a perfect table underneath the camper and you have it with you all the time. You don't need to take it out, you just leave it there, so it doesn't matter where you go. If you are with a car, if you drive to work or you do something at work or drive for a holiday run, you always have your table underneath. Yeah. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit on all the car models, so make sure you have enough space here. Some of the car without railing will not be able to fit the table because the space in between the roof and the ModCap is it's not suitable. So let's go to the other side. In the back, of course, we have the molar plates, the normal molar plates like the ones that we have on the canopy camper. And here we mounted a jerrycan holder with laser lamps on it. Fortunately, they're still not connected. We will have to do the electricity work afterward. But that's how I actually can set it up. Alu-Cab developed finally a kitchen to the back door. This can be purchased in two different versions, deluxe and basic. Basic just have not all the features inside that all the cutlery that you have inside on this one. That's the deluxe version. So what you can actually do is open both of these. 1, 2, of course we added a bit of wine and stuff like that, but yeah, that's what you can actually expect from a deluxe version. There is also the bamboo table, you can take to the side, pretty rigid. Let's close the kitchen up because we need to climb in and look for some more features. Here inside, as you can see, it's not the standard inside of a pickup. We have a tailgate gear build that we did together with them. So you have two different sides with a plate on the bottom. This plate actually on the Ford Ranger can fit with the plastic bin that actually not all countries have. So depending on your country, you will get one or not. But it doesn't matter. If you don't have any, you can also fit this kind of configuration in. Check it on our website. The link should be somewhere here. And yeah, if you have any questions or check for what car models, we have that. I'm not sure about different models yet, but this will be available in our shop. You can see in the back, we have our water tank from Alu-Cab, the 52-liter water tank, integrated and built into the camper itself. So that's actually a great feature. We have the drainage here. We have the air ventilation on top, there on that side. So it's a great accessories to have with you, as water is always needed. We also have here the gutter, which is a nice feature actually that we do sell often. So I'll just show you shortly how to mount a gutter, as not everyone can see it. This actually just make sure you don't get any water here in between. So how I do it, like this inside. Okay, so get it to the other side. Then we have the Velcro on top. And what you can actually do is try to make the gutter flow in one direction. Or that, or actually this one, just to make it, you know, a flow direction to the outside, so it will not try to, you know, drip here in the middle of everything. This is also a feature that we actually, that's a nice accessory. So what we do, you cannot see it here because it's behind actually the kitchen, but that's a wheel adapter for the canopy camper door. You need to drill the door before for that, and then you can actually fit the wheel, which usually the spare wheel is usually for in pickups underneath the car, underneath the back of the car. So we actually can put it there, and it's more accessible, and you can actually check the air pressure much more often and see what the condition is of your spare tire, which is, to be honest, also a very important thing if you use a car often. It doesn't matter where. As most of the canopy campers, you can lift two bed sections, so you can actually lift a small part and a big part of the bed separately. Here we mounted mullet plates, so you can actually hang some stuff on it, bags or different things. Here we have a special feature that Alu-Cab just released. It's actually a backrest. So it's a bamboo backrest. I'll just shortly show you how it works. Just lift it like that, and then you have the backrest. Of course, you need the other parts to be closed, but that looks pretty sick. And we have that for the tent for a while, and Alu-Cab decided to do it for the ModCAP, and I'm pretty sure it fits also for some different campers and roof conversions. Just check it in the web shop, please. All we did here is all the electric that it's not connected, but this can be done to different specification. We still have one accessory that I actually forgot, so let's come to the front. This is a very slick accessory and it's mounted on the roof. So as you can see, we have a 300 watt solar panel that we stick to the camper on the top. It doesn't take any space. You can still put some load bars and if needed, some load on it. Of course, load bars and load, we'll put some shade on it, so you will not get the full 300 watt capacity out of it. That's the last accessories. So Jan, show them a bit around, do some car porn, and then we'll wrap it up and close everything down. See ya. Let's close everything up and wrap it up. We want to go as fast as possible. So close this one, do like that. One there, one, two. That's fine. Close the door. No, we need to close it inside first. The bed is still open. Guys, really don't forget the bed every time you go out. It's a pain in the ass to go inside and close it again. We cut her out and put it back inside. Awning. Fine. This one, don't forget to put it over the strap, so actually you can tension it more when you close it down. Yeah, this, and as a tip, one hand and pull everything in, all the canvas, the other hand also, especially if your windows are closed, you will thank me later. Then we just have the table. Okay guys, it's finished. I hope you had a blast. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments about the build or about what we should show you, just let us know. Thank you very much. And I'm going home. Bye.